So welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, last week we spoke about habits that should be left in 2024, and today we want to talk about what we think should be left in 2024. You want me to go first?
Go on first. Don't say.
No, man, that one, I leave that one a little bit.
Okay.
The moms.
The what?
The moms.
The mothers, them.
No.
Oh.
The moms.
The moms, okay.
With the pink fluffy steering wheel or the glitter steering wheel. Once you see a moms with one of the fluffy steering wheel or the glitter steering wheel, trouble. Trouble.
So are you saying they should leave it in 2024?
Leave them. Park them to the side of the road. Leave them.
You know what I have on my steering wheel?
What?
It says Honda.
Okay.
Just
But
a little
you don't
thing
drive a
that
moms.
says Honda.
You
So
don't
I'm not
drive
a moms?
No.
So what's a moms? Isn't a moms a mother?
Small cars.
Oh, the Fitz.
But it's led by
Oh, the
Honda
Fitz.
Fitz.
Got you.
It's led by Honda
Or producer
Fitz.
with the
and,
Swift.
And
the
by
Fitz.
association, other small cars.
Yes. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
You know, so we leave it persons who drive the cars with their chest.
Yeah. What that mean?
They're so close to the steering wheel, I drive the car with their
Okay.
chest.
He is being disrespectful to the vertically challenged persons.
No.
If we are vertically challenged and we're short, we have to come a little close because we're short.
No.
If we're short, we
no,
can't.
some people that know the steering wheel is so close, so. I saw them go. If you look for them dashboard, them go so.
Okay, I have a related one.
Right.
This one is serious. I would like us to leave running the red lights in 2024. Today I was driving my car. My light said green, and I was there on Harden Road, and the light said green, and I'm about to proceed. My light said green, you know. So me a go figure turn. No one man, me say just shoot. I was like, if I had a heavy right foot on that gas.
Is that moms?
It was not, it was a man. It was a man.
No, it's a moms.
No.
You still understand what a moms is, right?
No.
Okay,
The small, it wasn't a small car. It was a,
That's it. That's all
it was not, no. It was a gentleman. I feel like it was a taxi man, but it wasn't a Pro Box car.
So moms is not gender specific, you know?
It's not?
No.
So it's just a small car?
Yes.
Yes, it wasn't a small car.
Okay.
It was like the big black thing, you know, the
Big black thing? Big black thing on the red light? Wow. And the market said go.
This is a serious conversation.
Leave.
I am being,
We're definitely leaving that thing.
I am saying, can we not run the red light?
Are you leaving the big black thing in 2024?
Very no. I feel like.
Hold on, let me go. May I go
home? May I go home?
You know what we're leaving in 2024?
What are we leaving?
ATMs that don't work.
Everybody in the studio. Rapturous applause.
It's one of the worst things to drive to an ATM when they go there out of service.
Facts. And the next one, out
You know
of
what's
service.
worse?
And the next one.
Is the ones that when you put the card in, where they go, please contact your financial institution. What?
At least it doesn't go. And just take your card.
All
Okay,
right, go,
I have
you can
one
go.
here, and gender. Dufton and I have to agree on this.
Yeah, we are hoping.
We will agree we're leaving all gender wars, gender conversation, gender divisions. Hina the past is unity. Unity, because together, united we stand. Divided, we fall.
I'm going to ask a question. At what date
When we
do you
started?
propose for leaving that?
Tomorrow.
Then you know, say the day after Jesus will come. Because that's not going anywhere.
It's going to. We're going to do it.
Guess why?
Why?
The same gender that is proposing leaving it is who don't want to perpetuate it.
Do you see the war? So normally I would join in a back and forth and say, no, that's not true.
Right.
But I'm going to say,
you're going to agree with me.
united we stand. I'm going to say, love one another.
I have another one that I'm going to get some unanimous.
Jeez, left the jet. All right, what is it?
Potholes. Listen me, because a potholes refuse to drive at night.
I agree.
Me need to see the road at least 50 meters so me can know which part me I go swerve, which one me I go slow down.
Plan your road journey, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, then left, then come, then.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Please, the road rehabilitation is rehabilitation. It was not rehabilitation. What was the
There was something that he proposed, as $1 billion something to fixing all the roads.
It's not is rehabilitation.
I think so.
Or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Please get it underway.
We're ready.
We're ready. Like me not seen a road sort out yet. I am waiting. Me ready for. Me ready for. You know how much money I spent on front end parts last week?
How much? How much you spent on front end?
6 figure.
That's quite cheap. All right, so I have one.
May I have?
So I feel like, and this may just be me, we're gonna leave not reading books in 2024. 2025, we're gonna read book, some hard copy.
Why the thing them where you are leave that 2024 boring so?
Because listen, 2025.
That makes sense.
I'm telling you something. 2025, I'm all about.
Why don't you read more? Let's read more.
Self-love. Me not in the war. Me no want to fight nobody. Me no want to fight myself. Sometimes we are fight ourselves in our life.
No, women fight themselves a lot.
You see the gender? I'm not gonna do it. People. Thank you, Odessa. Odessa said, don't make him draw you. The first day of my New Year's resolution. So we're gonna read more books.
You're going to read more books?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Books.
There's a book that I got here, for Daytime Life. Sleep. It's about sleep something.
I
Arnold, whatever it is.
6 months ago of that.
And I haven't read it yet.
The
last one.
All right, quick.
Long eyelash. Left them round here.
We don't like that one. Just one person.
The long eyelashes.
Manager clapping. We don't care about that.
The ones that the sign language.
We're in the lash. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We're ignoring.